My name is Iris, and I go to Florence Markofer Elementary School. And my video title is called Delicious Donuts. So what happens in my video is me and my friend Emma tell you how to bake these delicious donuts. What I want the viewers to learn from my video is I want them to know that baking is fun and spending time with friends and to never give up. I'm Iris.
And I'm Emma. Today we're making some delicious apple donuts.
Every year we get together and make this tasty treat to bring in the new year.
Then we give it to our loved ones and spread the joy.
Here are the ingredients that you need to make the apple donuts.
Flour, eggs, sugar,
Milk, apples, vegetable oil, and some cinnamon.
Special cooking tools you'll need is an apple peeler and an apple core remover.
The first step is to get a bowl and mix a half a cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 egg.
Mix it all together until mixture is creamy.
Once the mixture is creamy, let it sit and start peeling the apples and remove the core.
It will look like this.
Cut off the edges of the apple and cut slices about 2 centimeters wide.
After that, you are going to get a pot and fill it with vegetable oil and put it on medium temperature.
As you wait for the oil to get hot in the pot, grab your sliced apples and dunk them in the batter you made. Let the apples cook until they are golden brown on both sides. Be sure to flip them over.
After they are cooked, take them out and put them on a plate with paper towels.
Once they have cooled down, sprinkle a cinnamon and sugar mix or one of your favorite toppings.
I like sprinkles. Now let's taste them.
So delicious.
It's so good.
Enjoy your apple donuts. Bye.